et bienvenue à la leçon 1 de l'unité 4 de votre niveau A1. Aujourd'hui, nous allons parler du futur et comment on va porter des paroles. Now, what this means is that, okay, merci, bienvenue, welcome to this section of your class. Je m'appelle Youssouf et je suis professeur de français à IEF. Today, we are going to be talking about how to express ourselves in future tense and also how to rapporter des paroles. That means that how to report speech, reporting what somebody has said to someone else. So basically, parler du futur, to talk in future tense. Now here, there's something in French we call le futur proche. Le futur proche. This means future, proche means near. So it means the nearest future tense. Nearest future tense in the sense that the actions you do immediately after an action has been completed. For example, after this class now, I am going out. I can say après la classe, je vais sortir. That is just the action I'm doing next after what I'm doing currently. So how do we achieve this? This rule is very simple and very straightforward. It does not have any exception at all. It's a simple rule and very forward. So we have a verb plus another verb. And as you know in French, you do not conjugate two verbs at the same time. You only conjugate the first verb and the second verb remains in its original form. So in the case of futur proche, that is the nearest future tense, we conjugate the first verb, which is the helping verb, and the second verb, which is the action. The first one is the verb that is to be conjugated is the helping verb, and the second verb is the action verb. Now let's proceed. If you look at it here, we have conjugation du futur proche, conjugation of futur proche. Le futur proche exprime une action future. Il se conjugue avec le verbe aller au présent plus l'infinitif du verbe. Now there's only one verb we need here. Only one single verb that needs to be conjugated. And if you know this verb, then we are good to go. We can speak anytime to anybody in future tense. Now the verb we're talking about is the verb aller, meaning to go. Aller, to go. So we have je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va. Nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. Aller means I go. Aller means to go. Je vais, I go. You go. I go or I am going. You go or you are going. Il va. He goes or he is going. Elle va. She goes or she is going. Nous allons. We go or we are going. Vous allez. You go or you are going. Ils vont. They go. Masculine. Elles vont. They go. Feminine. Now once we can conjugate this verb, only this verb, correctly, then the next verb that comes after it will remain in its original form. If you do this, then you are speaking in future tense. For example, I said after the class, I'm going out. I can simply say après la classe, the verb to go out is sortir. Après la classe, je vais sortir. Après la classe, je vais sortir. Après la classe, je vais sortir. I've conjugated the verb aller here because I'm the one speaking, the first person singular. So this is after the class, I am going out. I'm going to go out. C'est fini. So we can just conjugate the verb aller in present tense. Then the next verb you are using has to be in its original form. And by that, we're already speaking in future tense. Now, let's look at some examples we have here on our screen. Look at, je vais manger du riz cet après-midi. Je vais manger du riz cet après-midi. This means that I am going to eat rise this afternoon. This is the verb aller that we conjugated, and the second verb manger is in its original form, the infinitive form. The same thing, look at the second person singular, tu vas chanter à l'église. Tu vas chanter. Still the same aller conjugated in second person singular form, and the verb chanter in its infinitive form. You are going to sing at church, in the church. Il va partir en Angleterre. Il va partir en Angleterre. He's going to leave for Angleterre means England. Il va partir. He's going to leave for England. Elle va écouter le groupe Phonics. She's going to listen to the Phonics group. Nous allons sortir ce soir. We are going to go out this evening. Vous allez discuter sur le sujet. We are going to discuss about the subject. Ils vont préparer un repas délicieux. They are going to prepare a delicious meal. And the last one, elles vont dîner chez ses amis. They are going to take dinner in their friend's place. This is very, very simple and straightforward. As long as you can conjugate the verb aller correctly and add the second verb in its infinitive form, c'est fini. There's no more, there's no less. Now we have learned how to speak in present tense. Now we are learning future tense now. We are learning future tense now. Let me give you another example. Mon ami et moi, my friend and I, nous allons nous amuser à la fête. Now I'm using the future proche now with verb in pronominal form. Nous allons nous amuser. We are going to enjoy ourselves at the party. What we just need to know is the verb aller plus another verb in its infinitive form. That's what gives us future proche.